How to warm up your hands on the trail. Happy December ride day, Broknex. Today, I'd like to talk about 5 good gifts for your Broknex rider. So number 5, a light bar. I found a 14-inch light bar fits perfect on the front of most four-wheelers. I say that because that's the only one I've tried. Number 4, every Broknex rider needs a good pair of riding gloves. Up here where we ride, it's cold. It's cold in the summer, cold in the winter, cold in fall and spring. It's just cold. Hardest thing to do is work the throttle when your hands are cold. Number 4 is a helmet. Forgot what number I'm on. I think we're up to 2. Riding gear. What I use is snow machine style shell system. Outerwear, waterproof, has to be waterproof. A matched liner system for the inside as a base layer. Well, the number 1 gift for a Broknex rider is hand warmers. The grip style hand warmers with a thumb warmer. For a four-wheeler, for a snow machine, it doesn't matter. You gotta keep your hands warm. How to warm up your hands on the trail. Alright, I was just charging once again on the trail. I take a lithium battery with me. This happens to be a Napa Blue Fuel, 12,000 milliamp. So I use that to charge the GoPros. When it's cold, the GoPros don't last. So we are here at Sheridan Glacier. We had to break trail and it was quite interesting. My son, Joe, he's out there looking for the trail. The trails are all covered like this. So we got a little bit of snow. It's starting to look a little bit wintry, finally. Way out there. We are at Sheridan Lake. It's been way too warm to go out on the lake. So enjoy some of the Alaska winter views. These trees look like they're flipping you the bird. Yep, old Grizz will be proud of that one. Ready? Alright, that's my vulgar moment of the day. More to come. We made it a little closer to Sheridan Glacier, not too close. Do not want to go out on the lake, and we're losing daylight. Pretty sunset. All right, Well, let's head back. See, the trail to Lookout's washed out. This was a nice smooth trail. There's the other side. There's the culvert that was buried here. So sometimes during the floods or during the last heavy rain session, it flushed out that culvert. I don't know. I don't think we're putting it back. Just have to dig this down and make a better trail.